I mean, if it's AJ.
Oh my god! May multiple heads!
Hold my hand on the blade, fire.
The fuck? Pinuputa ko yung cart. Nawawala.
I will go to... Makaulo niya!
The head.
Yeah, may heads pa siya. Aray! Damay pa ako dun? Oh yes, they're definitely radiation.
Ang tanga ng bibe!
Putang ina! Why did you bring it here?
Ako yung habal mo din.
Okay.
Okay na pala, sige. Pasok ko na to ah.
Yeah. Ay, wait. Meron pa. May dalawa pa
Ano
dito. Wait, EJ!
Teka
EJ!
muna,
EJ!
sabi!
No!
Okay, well, never mind.
Whoop.
EJ!
Hindi siya makadaan kasi hindi siya kasya. I'm gonna wing it.
No! Leave it!
Ow.
Oh shit.
You're just gonna die there. What the fuck did you do?
I need to get to Philadelphia.
Putang
Ayun!
ina.
Oh no! No way! Maboy! And never mind.
You
Hindi ko na
bitches.
naabot yung
Fucking bitches.
Never mind.
Ulo niya.
Pinindot ka agad ni EJ.
Bitches.
Si EJ.
Hindi ko
Ako
na
yun,
ipasok
ako
yung
yun.
ulo.
Dinistruct ko na eh. EJ, kanina ka pa. First the card, now. You
I can't see. Where's the card?
Right
I
there.
can't.
See. Where's the card?
Right
Cart there.
there.
Right there. Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Lalagay mo.
Ken,
You
it's
weren't
right there.
listening. You weren't listening. It's right there.
Jack, paano ko malalaman yung right there mo? You're not exactly pointing to anything.
You need to use your eyes.
Ayun!
Ayun o.
Use your eyes.
Yung
Wait,
baby
nakaon
head.
yan.
Boom.
Ow. Yung baby!
The baby head. No, the baby.
Oo naman yung baby. Oh, well, namatay siya.
Boom.
Oh my god. Sino yun?
Tinadyakan.
Ken.
Tinadyakan si Ken.
Fucking die, bitch!
Putang ina. Oh, shit.
What? Ah! You miss! You miss! Are you kidding?
I definitely miss. Man.
Come on, man. What happened to your cart?
Hindi ko matabahan eh. Ayun, nandun sa tabi niya.
He's on me. He's on you now.
What the fuck? Tinadamage yun?
Wapow!
You
It didn't
missed! Mario. Oh!
Yippee!
Oh shit, daw pala.
It's a me!
Sayang yun, daw. Putang ina. Grabby! No! AJ! No!
Jack! Jack!
How the fuck did you die?
Nakita mo yung pool na yan? I drove right into
Masyado ka naging kompante.
Saan ko nahulog, JJ?
Sa pool. Dito.
Dumiretso ako.
Oh! Goodbye!
Ay, mali
Oh,
yung
nice!
ginawa ko. Mali
Di pa rin,
yung ginawa ko.
di pa rin. Goodbye.
Bye!
Oh, where's he go? Ooh!
Dinala ako sa room.
One.
Nandun yung room.
Black lady!
Oh shit!
Luckily.
Oh no! Where's the...
Biglang
Ay,
bumili mo
kaso
paligid
yung
ko.
car... Ay, hindi, okay na.
Sa likod mo, Jake! Jake, sa likod! Yung grab!
I tried to warn you.
Tahimik lang siya nilapitan ka.
I tried to warn you. Sa likod ko.
EJ!
Oh! Wait, pasok na yan. Wait.
Ah, kainis yung log. I hate that thing.
Dito.
Ano
Oh, oh, nakita si JJ.
Nandito, saan?
Ay, naku yung item.
Head boy pa yung thing.
Ay, it's still alive.
Taka na! Oo, invisible.
Again?
Bagat ba to? Ay,
Kita mo?
Karapata.
Goodbye.
Hintik!
Putang ina! Putang ina!
Wait, paano ka namatay, Jay?
Sumabog!
Kasi 1 HP ka na lang.
Yeah, I don't know ano yung sumabog. Bigla tumahimik.
Sino yung dalawa namatay?
Si JJ.
This time, may dalawa lang namatay.
Jay, tahimik lang. Dahil nahirapan pa rin
Gusto
siya.
na tumakas. Oh,
no.
shit.
Yung...
Oh no. Ay, hindi. Nice.
Oh, no, dadalhin siya sa ship.
Nice.
Tutulungan siya.
Oh.
Oh.
Ayun.
The invisible guy saving me.
Wow.
Thank you.
Oh my God! Naligtas siya!
You fucking bitch.
Ang daya!
This lucky motherfucker.
I'm alive!
Ang daya! Tapos si JJ, ito kung winabol siya.
Tago. Dali. You lucky motherfucker.
I'm sorry.
Sabihin niyo naman sa akin kung iiwan na ako ni EJ, right?
No. Don't do it, man. You're just gonna die. Leave us na lang.
Sayang 50 HP.
50 HP. 1 HP lang
50
mangyayari pag na-revive eh, di ba?
Pag na-revive kayo nung unless iwan ako ni EJ.
Ah! Oh, iniwan!
Pero kung magagalit sa akin this time, sino yung buhay?
Even.
Ah, this
Akin.
bitch, you fucking bitch.
EJ! Dala ko yung...
Ah.
I'm sorry! Ang tagal niyo!
Naging typewriter.
Ang bentiti. Yun, nagtulak ako.
JJ?
Yes? What?
I'm on top of... Okay, you left the...
Oh.
Can you catch me?
You put too much trust sa reflexes ko.
Okay, ready?
Sige.
3, 2, 1!
Nahawakan ko yung pera. Does that count? Sige. I didn't even see Ken po.
Come on, Jack! It's hard to do, man! Mahirap! Oh!
Here.
I hope you know what you're gonna do.
Nasaan ba siya? Ayun.
Nakita mo yung card?
Hindi, you should leave him on this, really spacious area.
Kaya mo bang patayin?
Go, EJ.
No, I can't, it's, hindi siya straight.
Do it, you pussy, do it.
Ano daw?
Come on, I'm ready! Get in there! You fucking bitch! Okay, Max. Okay, take two. Tangina mo.
Hi, EJ.
Hi. Ang hirap! Putang ina! JJ, ikaw ang mag-drive yung putang ina ng sasakyan to!
Okay. Last.
Medyo sa atin.
Ayoko
Kaya na yung...
ayoko na. Putang ina, ayoko na.
Nasaan yung VHB?
Jack is just watching all of this.
Alright. I need speed.
You know what? Sige.
Tangina, ang hirap banggain siya dito.
Oh!
Never mind! JJ!
Welcome! Oh no. EJ, stop! EJ! Si Speckles namatay! Oh.
Stop, na-revive ka na.
Ay, putang ina! May naninipa! Hala! Sinuot yung ulo ni JJ!
Oh.
Sinuot yung ulo ni JJ! Putang ina! Ah! Putang ina!
Oh my god,
Nag-ibang,
everyone's dead!
nag-iba siya ng strat, nagbato siya ng ulo, hello?
Oh,
Ayan.
paulit-ulit nga daw kasi. Where is he bringing us?
Where is he going? Where am I? He can see where am I? He can see where am I?
Tinatanong EJ, where am I now?
Hey, shut the fuck up! Stop with the sass, man. Okay, man.
There's a lot of items pa dun na if you're planning to get it.
Nah, I'm a pussy. I don't want. Okay na ako doon.
I appreciate the honesty.
You did good, DJ. Good job. Yay!
Good boy,
Nagka-clutch si EJ.
Good boy,
Kawiran.
good boy, EJ, good boy.
Hey!
Good boy. Eee! Nakakuha ng
Oh, shit!
Magkat tayo dito bumalik.
Oh, no!
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Oh, shit.
I fucked that shit.
Oh
man.
shit, I think we're all gonna die now. Ayan, namatay si EJ.
We can do this. Metal Gear style. Oh, shit. Ken, it's right there. Tangina! Kinuha yung ulan ni Ke, ay ni ano? No! You bitch! You fuck, oh shit.
I'm over here now.
Putang ina!
I'm over here. I'm over there.
Ano putang ina? Hindi ako nakatakas.
I think namatay si... Oh, no. They're moving.
How do you kill him?
I kill people.
Oh shit! Damn it! Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh fuck! I told you, EJ! I told you! Dapat hindi ka na naman sa team! How do I get this thing out of him?
I don't know.
Yung
The
nakuha mo yung head ni,
bum
ano,
guy was just here.
Nakuha mo yung head ni.
No, it's...
Putang ina ka! Putang ina ka! Oh, isa lang!
Okay.
Putang ina!
Oh my god.
Wala to, ba't narinig ko ulo ni JJ? That was amazing! Oh my god!
Paano ka nasakit
No!
dun?
You
Paano
bitch!
ka nasakit
No!
dun?
Ah!
What? Paano ka nasakit dun? I wasn't even looking at you.
That was just a chain of unfortunate events, by the way. That was not my fault.
Ay, dito yung cart, dito yung cart. Nandito yung cart, dito tinago ko yung cart sa tabi.
It's fine.
Oy! 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 Watch it! Watch it! Watch it!
Okay.
Ito naman yung timing na yan.
Oh, shit! Ay, naku, yung fucking...
Ay, nako.
Yung itsura ni JJ. parang naka-go-kart lang. Naka-bumper car si JJ. Ayan! No! Last level na talaga natin to. Ayan! Last level nga talaga.
Man! Man!
Kasi sumash